What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I just hit 22,000 subscribers. Man, feeling good about that guys. It's not 100,000 just yet, but you know, it's a start, you know, so big up to all my 22,000 subscribers. 22,000, yeah, subscribers. We need to do something different today. Maybe we should just pull out the Black Series, since as you know we have some new subscribers. We probably can pull out the Black Series and go and rip it around Kingston a little bit. Yeah man, let's do that guys. I'm just gonna go for a quick drive around Kingston. I don't have my front license plates on, so if I get pulled over, well, I might get pulled over. Guys, I might press the idiot button for a little bit. What's that in my back? Didn't want to roast my tires, so I didn't stay in it. Put some brand new tires on it, so I can't bother to roast the tires every minute. These kids out here. Police just drive past. Some up the road there, so. let's pass them quietly. Pass them quietly. Alright, them don't see. But the ones in front of me might see. This police in front of me might see. Let's turn. Maybe I shouldn't have driven on this road because sleeping police and this car don't do well with sleeping police. Everywhere I go, I can't avoid the police, even sleeping police. Rob. No, a driver around here might end up back right in the police. Let's see. I make it sound like I'm running from police. Oh my gosh. Just got a call. My wife wanted me to stop at the supermarket to grab something for her real quick. So heading to the supermarket. But 22,000 subscribers. I'm very grateful, and you know, I mean, building a community here on YouTube. Driving around Kingston, Jamaica. See police, I'm up here, so no, I go get stopped up here, so yeah man, expected. 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 Oh god, man. There man. Turn. Alright guys, just got pulled over by the police. Man, I could have bet that was gonna happen, but so here you go. Heading back home now. What's up? Just drove in the yard, and when I drove in the yard I saw the battery light came on. I was like, what's going on? And then the steering got tough, so instantly I'm like, a belt burst or something like that. Lo and behold guys, belt burst. Belt burst. So I need to get a belt. Thanks for watching, and thanks for 22,000 subscribers. Big up.